Good evening to you, everybody outside there, in here, all over the world. Hello, hello. This is Simon Snipes, a member of the Roy Club community and a participant within the Roy Bounty program or the Roy movement that is ongoing right now. I just want to say thanks to Roy Club for what it's done in my life. Ever since I started participating, it has been a turnover, and I'm grateful. I'm happy that I am here where I am today. Earlier on today, I shot a video, showing how I cleared, I got my receipt for my rent from my landlord recently, and I'm so excited about that. I mean, thanks to Roy Club, I'm able to do some of that. At Roy Club, we have a diversity of bonuses, and it's really an awesome platform for someone to make a positive investment if they would love that. You sit back and you think about things ahead. You think about plans and how to make your future stable. I don't know whether stable is the right word. Make your future. Yeah, I think stable is okay. Yeah, make your future stable. Like those plans you set out so that you have a comfortable and a, a good life. It's life without stress. A life where you are satisfied with whatever is coming onto you. And guys, this is a moment whereby you decide and say, hey, I think I'm going to make this decision to engage in the Roy Club. I'm going to put in my investments, and see, yes, and make that profit. Because Roy Club is here to provide that passive income for you and for your family. So last time I've been talking. Actually, last time I was going through some of the frequently asked questions in Roy Club, and we're looking at the section of how it works. I mean, what is this Roy Club? How it works. So last time we looked at how can I join, and we're looking at you being able to set up a wallet with Singen Pro. For some of you, probably later on, I'll just go later on and show you how to set up an account, be able to log in, and be able to fund, create an account within the Roy Club and be able to fund it. And yeah, your investments. I mean, your investment begins really. I mean, your investment begins rolling in at that particular moment, right? So, what is the minimum amount needed to join the Roy Club? So let's just look at that. Yeah. So the minimum to start is 100 prisms. Now, for those of you who are probably seeing this for the first time, prism is a cryptocurrency that has been there for probably now close to 2 years, and it's been having some growth, and it's a currency that Roy Club heavily uses within the system as its payment mechanism, and we invest using Prism. So that is basically it. So 100 Prism. So someone might be asking, okay, so 100 Prism, what's the equivalent? So you can go to some of the exchange sites like BTC Alpha, and you can look at the exchange rates and see how much a Prism can be costing right now. But right now, probably a Prism is at about $0.27, depending on the fluctuations that have been happening. So let's look at this. So if the balance of your account is less than 90 prisms for 3 days. The account is deactivated. This condition is introduced so that each participant at least minimally maintains a high income from joint para mining. Yeah, so they don't allow idle accounts. Just they're sitting doing nothing. Your account has to be active. In order for it to benefit, or in order for the whole community to benefit. So we don't. The Roy Club doesn't allow just accounts. Zombie accounts just to be there without any funds. And when you enter the 100 prisms, 10% of the amount goes to bonuses for leaders and commissions to the service. So your account balance will be 90 prisms. Actually, the first time I deposited, I was like, hey, I thought I deposited 100 prisms. Then, I got to understand as in what happens and where the 10% went, and how it contributes to the development also of the work. So your account balance will be 90 prisms because 10% is taken off. So with this amount, your account will not be deactivated in 3 days. Yeah, so your account will be safe, and you will receive up to 0.61% per day. Right? So 0.61 every day, 0.61 every day, and your account keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing so much. So this is really, 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 really awesome. And yeah, guys, this is some good information, and we're going to continue looking within these frequently asked questions, and we'll keep understanding more and more about Roy Club. Within a short time, you'll be having much information. Others, guys, thank you so much, and I hope you have a nice time.